It's a cough syrup I do make for my children, and trust me, it works wonders. I started by cutting my onions and garlic. Wash it. You wash before cutting, of course. Put it in a clean container. I squeeze my lemon. Add the juice inside the container. Then I add my honey. Stir together. Okay. I added more lemon because this, for me, I use more lemon and honey. Then I shake together to infuse everything. After shaking, I keep it for 3 days. On the third day, I filter the onion and garlic. See, the liquid, the juice, if you give it to your child in this summertime season, it works wonders.